guys. All right. Today for Draw Along Doodles, we're going to be doing a whale, a big blue whale from the ocean. Maybe to get you in the mood for that feeling of the fresh water splashing up against you. Hopefully, not thinking of whale snot, which sometimes happens when they're on the boats to go see them. All right. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come right to the top quadrant on the left of our paper, and we're going to make a slightly curved line. Then we're going to come down and up. So it almost looks like a Z or a spread out paper clip. Then we're going to come down and we're going to go back to the starting point. And I'm going to curve that edge a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to make a nice curved line that puts more of the curve in the forward half of his body than the second. So nice and curved. And I'm going to bump it in right there so that I get that nice meeting of the mouth. Then I'm going to come and add the fin. So I'm going to start back a little bit. And it's going to come back, past the body, and in line with that. So that you can kind of see where we're planning to go with that idea. Once I get rid of that part, it'll look like this. All right, now it's time to make his tail so that he can thwap it against the water and get all of his whale energy out. All right, so starting from the side of that point, I'm going to come out in a wave. Then I'm going to reverse that wave out and wave. All right, then I'm going to curve a line in and down. Curve it in and down. Now, it always feels like a whale's eyes are pretty far back on his head. So when I come to put his eyes in, I'm going to come back here. And I'm going to give him some of his little wrinkles that are around his eyes sometimes. And then I'm going to give myself some of that nice fold texture that's in the bottom part of his body and his, I'm not sure if you'd call it his gullet or what you'd call it. But we're going to get him some of that texture. And now we're ready to go in and Sharpie. So that was a pretty short, easy one to do, wasn't it? So we'll come and start right here with his fin. And come up and around. Because the fin is the only part that I'm kind of worried like we might draw through. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go out and up, out and up, curve, curve, get him his eye, get him his wrinkles. And then I'm going to let these lines kind of break as I draw them. I'm not going to be super worried about if they're all straight and not broken, because the folds aren't like they're exactly even anyway. As long as they keep going in the direction I'd like them to, I'm pretty good with it. All right, and there's our whale. Now you're ready to give him some shadows and some color, and you'll be all ocean-tastic. All right, bye guys.